So I was down chopping with my axe that I did last weekend, did the axe handle, just down there, and on one of the first couple chops, this happened. It totally broke off right at the head. Wondering if I can get it so you can see. Get it so it can focus. I am not sure why that happened. Totally sheared off right at the top. Makes me worry that there's something wrong with this hickory. I don't know. I want to know what you guys all think. This has never happened on any of my handles I've ever done, where it just broke like a really cheap piece of wood. You can see the grain orientation's fine. You can see the pores for the hickory, and I just don't know. I don't know why this would happen. So I'm gonna share you guys this online. I want to know in the comments if you've had this happen before. Is this something I should be worried about with the hickory that I bought? I mean, I bought like a 8-foot long thing of hickory, and I've never had this with any of the hickory I've ever bought before. So let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know what you guys think. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe, and hopefully we can give you some more updates on what, but it makes me hesitate to carve another handle at all. So like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. This is kind of sad. This was a great handle, and really kind of a bummer. First use of the axe. I mean, I had only chopped a couple times, and yeah, broken head. So let me know. We'll see you on the next video. Ciao.